Hello, my friends. Welcome back to A1 English Podcast. And welcome to another shadowing practice with me. I'm Ruby. In this session, we are going to train your English in 3 steps. Step by step, your sentences will grow longer. Your ideas will grow richer and your English will sound more natural. Step 1 is for beginners, very short and simple sentences. You will just repeat after me, copy my voice, and enjoy the rhythm of basic English. Step 2 is for learners who are building their confidence. Here the sentences will become longer. You will meet more details, more links, more connections. This will train your memory, fluency, and speed. Step 3 is for higher learners. You will meet complex sentences, natural rhythm, and vocabulary that feels real and alive. The method is simple. Start with easy English, move forward to connected English, and finally practice natural English like a story. Your only job is to listen carefully. Repeat with me without stopping. Don't pause, don't translate, don't think too much. Just let the sounds flow. Are you ready? Let's begin with part 1, Beginner English. Part 1, Beginner English. The sun is bright. The sky is blue and wide. The air feels fresh on my face. I walk slowly down the street. My shoes are clean and new. The ground shines under the sunlight. The street is quiet and wide. The houses are small but lovely. The windows are open with fresh air coming out. I hear a small bird singing. The bird sings softly. I smile at the sound. The air feels warm and gentle. A little child is playing with a ball. The child runs quickly. The ball bounces high. The child laughs with joy. A dog barks once. The dog runs away happily. The child follows the dog with excitement. The park is near. Tall trees stand quietly. Their leaves move gently in the wind. The bench is empty and waiting. I sit down to rest. The wood feels hard under me. The air around me is calm. I drink some water slowly. The water is cool and fresh. I feel relaxed, fresh and calm. The day is good. I close my eyes for a moment. The sound of birds fills my ears. The rustle of leaves feels peaceful. The world feels quiet, simple, and clear. Part 2, Intermediate English. I keep walking. I begin to notice many more things around me. There are small shops on both sides of the street. One shop sells bread, another sells fruit and vegetables. I smell fresh bread coming from the bakery. Through the window, I see golden loaves on the shelves. The bread looks warm and soft, almost melting in the air. People wait patiently in line holding small bags. I want bread too, but I decide to wait for later. I walk further and see a toy shop. Children are standing outside with curious eyes. They point at dolls, cars, and colorful balls. Their parents smile but do not enter. The children laugh and press their faces to the glass. The shop is full of colors and sounds. Next, I see a small bookstore. The smell of paper and ink fills the air. The shelves are heavy with novels, stories, and notebooks. One book suddenly catches my eye. It has a green cover with golden letters shining. The title speaks about travel and adventure. I feel curious, so I decide to buy it. I put it carefully in my bag and continue. The sun is lower in the sky now. The street is crowded with people returning from work. Some carry bags of fresh fruit. Some walk quickly, rushing to catch buses. Some talk loudly on their phones. The sound of the city is alive and strong. I find a park nearby. At the gate, a man is selling balloons in many colors. Children laugh and point at the floating balloons. I walk inside the park and find a bench under a tree. I sit down and take the book from my bag. I open the first page and read a little. The story feels exciting, full of dreams and places. Then I pause and look around. The park is alive with people. Children chase each other across the grass. Couples walk hand in hand. An old man sits quietly, watching everything. The fountain splashes softly. The air smells of fresh grass and water. I lean back, close my eyes, and take a deep breath. Part 3. Advanced Practice. The sky is now painted with orange and pink. Clouds move slowly across the horizon. The tall trees look darker. Their shadows stretch across the grass. The fountain shines like silver under the evening light. I put my book down and watch the people around me carefully. Near the fountain, 3 young people prepare to play music. At first, they look shy and nervous, but soon they begin to play with courage. The music is soft at the beginning, gentle like the wind. People stop walking and turn their heads toward the sound. Some stand still with curious faces. Some clap softly in rhythm. Some take out their phones to record. Even children who are running suddenly stop. They watch with wide eyes, listening deeply. The whole park feels different now. Calmer and warmer. I enjoy the music very much. It makes me feel light, happy, and connected. I look around and see strangers standing side by side. Some smile quietly, some whisper. Some tap their feet to the rhythm. The music connects everyone. Even people who do not know each other. Next to me, a little boy is holding a red balloon. The balloon moves gently in the evening wind. The boy looks at me and asks softly, "Do you like music?" His eyes are bright. His smile is wide. I smile back and say, "Yes, I do." It is very nice. The boy nods happily and runs back to his family. I sit back and keep watching the people around me. An old man with a walking stick claps slowly. 2 girls sing along with the music. Everyone seems connected. Joined by the same song after some time. The musicians finish their song. The last notes echo in the air. For a moment, silence covers the park. Then suddenly people clap loudly, shout bravo, and cheer. The 3 musicians smile with relief. They thank everyone, wave their hands, and begin to pack. The guitar goes back into its case. The park slowly grows quiet again. Parents call their children. Families walk toward the exit. Some children cry because they want to stay longer. The fountain continues to splash gently. The evening air grows cooler. I stand up slowly, put the book back in my bag, and walk back toward the street. Shops are closing with shutters coming down, but cafes and restaurants are opening with warm lights. The smell of bread, grilled meat, and strong coffee fills the street. I feel hungry again even though I ate earlier. I pass a small cafe with wooden tables outside. People are laughing, their voices rise and fall like music. For a moment, I think about sitting down, maybe ordering tea or coffee, but then I keep walking. My feet feel ready for home. The sky is now dark. The air is cool. The city is calmer. The day feels complete. The practice feels complete. And I feel peaceful and thankful inside. Today, you practiced English in 3 steps. First with short and simple sentences, then with longer connected sentences, and finally with natural English and a full story. Shadowing is powerful. It trains your ears to listen, your mouth to speak, and your memory to connect words. It builds rhythm, fluency, speed, and confidence. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this long practice. Come back tomorrow for another session and shadow again. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Goodbye for now.